these young Nigerians, the youth of this nation that we have failed so badly over the years, that they are angry and they have come together and they're working together and they're mobilizing themselves and they're saying they are not retreating.
How many times it go happen? 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 How many times it go happen?
Just like a zombie, we dey hustle like a monkey, we dey struggle like a donkey. Still we know they see this money. Hey, say food you know they. We hustle like you know they. Better school them you know they. Better hospital.
How many times it go happen? 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 Now who we offend, oh? Our leaders, they lie and pretend, oh. And the police, they are not our friend, oh. Now the soldiers and the thugs, them go send. When we try to protest, oh, what's happening next, oh? Now the soldiers and the thugs, them go send. How many times it go happen? 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 How many times it go happen?